The Kabul River, a vital artery that has supported civilization for centuries, now faces a critical juncture, beginning in the majestic peaks of Hindu Kush Mountains and flowing through Afghanistan. It courses through the Nowshera community, delivering water, substance and hope to countless people and ecosystem. Yet today, this once thriving lifeline is threatened by pollution, overuse and climate change. Once a pristine waterway, Kabul River has become a dumping ground for pollution. Plastic pollution in the river is a growing concern, impacting not just the environment, but also the communities that depend on its waters. Plastic, with its long decomposition time and harmful chemicals, poses severe risks to marine life.
Plastic pollution, including microplastics and nanoplastics, contaminate river ecosystems. Plastics can cause physical harm through abrasion, entanglement, and choking. Biofoul plastics, that's plastics covered in biofilm, can emit scents that can be mistaken for food. This can lead to ingestion and then starvation. The ingestion of plastics by an organism entering into the food chain poses health risks related to growth, reproduction, and endocrine disruption. The leaching of additives and chemicals associated with plastics affects the biophysical and chemical processes. Furthermore, plastics act as vectors for various toxicants, including heavy metals, persistent organic pollutants, and antibiotic-resistant genes.
Plastic waste, household trash, and untreated sewage flow directly from homes into the river. This is not an isolated incident. It's a daily reality, turning the river into a dumping ground. Once it enters the Kabul River, plastic waste does not just disappear. It breaks down into microplastics, tiny, toxic particles that are nearly impossible to remove. These microplastics are ingested by fish and other aquatic life, entering the food chain and affecting not only wildlife, but also human.
This river was once a place of beauty, a gathering spot for families. People used to come here for relaxation, picnics, and to enjoy the peaceful surroundings. But now, when people come here, all they see is plastic. Everywhere you look, plastic bags, bottles, wrappers, they're scattered all over the banks. And it's not just the trash you see. The drainage from homes is mixing directly into the river. The water is full of waste, untreated and dirty. It's heartbreaking. The natural beauty of the Kabul River has vanished. It's no longer a place of peace. It's become a dumping ground. The plastic is ruining everything, not just how the river looks, but it's also damaging our community.
Once, these boats were the lifeblood of local fishermen, setting out daily to bring back an abundant catch. But now, they rest idle, a symbol of what has been lost. The fish that once thrived in the Kabul River have either migrated to cleaner waters or disappeared entirely. Pollution has suffocated their habitat. Plastic waste, untreated sewage, and chemicals have poisoned these waters, driving the fish away from what was once a vibrant ecosystem. But it's not just the fish that have suffered. Turtles, once abundant along the river's banks, have vanished. These ancient creatures, who called this river home for centuries, can no longer survive in the toxic environment.